Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Moonseye Tome. This mystic relic is highly sought after in Deepwoken, offering significant knowledge boosts. We'll explore the most effective strategies, including specific boss encounters and farming methods, to help you add this valuable item to your inventory. Getting this tome can greatly accelerate your character's progression, so let's dive into the details. Your first approach to finding the Moonseye Tome involves challenging specific bosses. Duke Erija is a well-known source, with many players reporting successful drops from this formidable foe. While Chaser and Estrom are also rumored to drop the tome, Duke remains the most consistent boss to target. Be prepared for a challenging fight, as the drop rate is quite low, making each victory a step closer to this elusive item. To significantly boost your chances, focus on farming in Diluvian and Hell mode. These areas contain numerous chests that have a better probability of yielding the Moonseye Tome compared to individual boss drops. While the overall drop rate is still very low, around 0.001%, these methods provide more opportunities. You can also explore random chests in Layer 1 and the Crypt of the Unbroken for additional attempts. Once you finally acquire the Moonseye Tome, its benefits are immediate and powerful. Upon its very first use on a character slot, it will instantly grant you 99 knowledge, a massive boost for any build. After that initial use, each subsequent tome will still provide 20 knowledge, making it incredibly useful for continued progression. This relic is a game changer for quickly advancing your character's understanding and abilities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.